In this demo, we're going to see how we're gonna work with the master menu. We'll be adding some master data for making use of it into Easy Asset software. So I'm logging with my credentials, who has got permission for editing and adding master data. So this is the very first screen. So adding the master record is pretty easy for most of the records. So the first screen I'm having is owner screen, and these are all the records already available. So I'm gonna add one record here. I just gonna press add new here, and then one blank row has been added into this table. I'm giving some name to it. New owner, and then address is okay. I already have this owner, so I cannot have the duplicate name here. So I'm giving his some name. Let's say him easy owner, and address is 123 Broadway. Phone is some number. Again, mobile is some number. azo@easy.com. Fax is some number. And if you guys got any website URL, or else you can have it blank also. And then I'm gonna save this, and this owner is available to me. So this is very easy to add a new owner, and I just need to add it and save it. That's it. And if accidentally I type something in any of the box and I don't want that to be saved into database, I just need to click this cancel changes button, and the record will be resetted again. If I want to delete the record, I can select the record from here and delete it. Now I'm gonna delete this record. Okay, deleted, and I'm gonna save these changes. So this is it. So most of the owner or category and user group, most of the masters are working on the same principle. So let's see the category. In category, I can have a category name, and this is a master table wherein I can specify the categories configuration in the down table here. I have a category called PC, and I added three configurations here in this particular PC category. If I want to add new category, I'm just clicking here, and now just add one laptop category, and for how many days I want to lend this item to any of the user. And so I say 20 days. This is it. I'm gonna save it, and under this laptop I want to add some rows, because PC is having some configuration and laptop at present is not having any of the rows. So I'm gonna add something, add some configuration in laptop, say processor, and item value is 2.0 gigahertz, and in the listing where this record should be, I'm gonna add one more here. So it's say screen size, I'm saying 15.4 inches. The display average 2. That's it. I'm gonna save this, and now it has been added into the laptop category, and this is it. Now wherever I want to use this laptop category, I'll be having this two configuration template rows added into that. This is it. And now see user group. User group pretty similarly work on same principle. We just need to add a record and that's it. There is only a variation in main location and sublocation. So user group is the same, vendor also it's almost the same thing. We just need to add a record, delete a record, save changes and cancel changes. Same way maintenance provider or a supplier, that's it. Employees, same thing here also. And there is a variation here in main location and sublocation. So for adding a new main location, I just need to, if I want to add a new location here, I'm just going and pressing this add new location button here. So I'm navigating to the next screen. I'm saying that this is the easy main location, and I need to specify if it is a main location. I need to specify owner ID here. I'm adding a new owner ID as owner 3, and description is some room, maybe a server room or any kind of that. Who is the contact person in case of emergency? I need to contact this location. Who is the contact person? Whom should I contact in case wherever I want to make a contact with this location? So I will say that Mr. Williams. That's it. And I'm writing his phone number, his extension number, and if he's got any email ID, that will at easy.com. That's it. And the active status will be by default there. I'm saving it here, and then Williams is added in the list. I can navigate. Okay, this is the new location we added here. The location ID is 1140 and the easy main location. This is how we add a new location. If I want to change anything here in this record, I just need to select it from the select column. I just have to click the exact record where I want to edit the record, and yeah, I selected this newly added record, and then I'm clicking edit button. I'll be navigated to the next page. I can say that I can make changes here. Easyasset.com extension number has been changed to 2334. That's it, and I'm going to save it. And this has been again changed into the table. Delete will work on the same principle. I just need to select it and click delete. If there are any child record in under this particular location, this record won't be deleted. This main location and sub location also is working. Here only deviation is that when I want to add a sub location, I just need to go to the next screen, and I just need to give uh, my added sub location 1. That's the name I'm trying. And in main location we just needed to give the owner ID, but in case of here in sub location I just need to mention parent location ID here, parent ID, who is the parent of this particular location. Since the location I'm going to add is a sub location, and then naturally it should have some main location. So this is what I'm going to select from here. Select from the list, drop down list, who is the main location for this child location. This is it, and I say server on rate. That's it. Who's the contact person? Again, Mr. Sam. Phone number is some phone number, extension, anything, email if it is there or not. I can leave it blank. And I'm just going to add it. So this is it. I added a sublocation here. So this is the newly added sublocation here, Mr. Sam. and this is sub location 1, and in this location list I can view the hierarchy under what main location I have what are all sub locations here. If I select any of the records from the top table, the list down below is getting refreshed automatically. So I just can see how many sub locations any particular location is having. This is just a read-only list, so this is for the easily knowing the location and sub locations. That's it. So this is how we work with the master data and easy asset.